In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Starling Business, one of the innovative digital banking solutions available in 2025. Opening a business checking account with Starling is designed to be straightforward, and I'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. First, you'll want to navigate to the Starling Bank website where you'll find the option to access Starling Personal Account Services. It's here where the journey to opening your new account begins. To ensure that you're eligible, there are a few important criteria that need to be met before moving forward. You must be at least 18 years of age and a resident of the UK. Additionally, you'll need a valid photo ID, such as a passport or a UK driving license, and a UK mobile number. This set of requirements helps Starling identify and verify your credentials, ensuring a smooth banking experience. Once you've confirmed that you meet the eligibility criteria, you can proceed to start your application. Look for the Apply Now button on the site and click on it. This will take you to a page where you will enter your personal details. Take your time to carefully input your name, date of birth, email address, and mobile number. Accuracy is key here, as these details will be crucial for your account setup and future interactions with the bank. The next step involves verifying your identity, a process that Starling has streamlined using technology. You'll need to upload your photo ID. A clear, well-lit photo can help avoid any unnecessary delays or issues. Following this, you'll take a short video selfie, which helps to verify that it's indeed you applying for the account. This added layer of security ensures your account is safe and secure from any unauthorized access. Now it's time to submit your application. Before doing so, be sure to review all the details you've entered meticulously. Once you're satisfied everything is correct, click the Submit button. At this stage, Starling will perform a soft credit check. It's important to note that this check won't impact your credit score, but it is an essential part of ensuring your financial credibility. Assuming all goes well with your application, you can look forward to receiving your new MasterCard debit card in the mail. It usually takes between 5 to 7 working days to arrive. The convenience doesn't stop there. Your new card is compatible with popular digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, allowing you to integrate seamlessly into the world of digital payments. By following these steps, you're set to gain access to a business checking account tailored to your needs. The process is designed to be simple, intuitive, and efficient, reflecting Starling Bank's commitment to embracing digital solutions that save you time and effort. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.